Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mendoza. We're looking at CPM 6-121. So you need to sketch out the algebra tile shape on your paper. Make sure you go ahead and label it. And we have A. Okay, so here we need to find the perimeter of this shape, the outside. Okay, we could start on any side. Let's just go ahead and start right here on the left. So here we have this length. This is x squared, so this is x by x. So this length here is equal to x, the unknown. Now we're going to be looking at the perimeter, so we're grouping together all these values, so that's going to be addition. Here we have a unit, so this is the length of a unit, so it'll be 1. Notice here on this side, just from this point to this point, we have a value of x also. Remember, we're grouping together, so we're adding all these values together. Here we have our unit, so 1 plus 1. Now let's look at this entire side right here. This entire side we know is x, but we have this unit on it here. So really we're going to call it x minus 1, this one unit right here. So it's going to be x, so it's plus x. Here's the x right here. But we're also going to subtract this 1 right here. How do we write that? Minus 1. So notice here, we just did this side right here. We still need to add plus 1, plus 1 right here, plus 1. Okay, we already did this part because that was the x. Plus 1 here, and then our final value of x. Okay, now we can combine the terms that are alike. So now we can combine the terms that are alike. Let's go ahead and start from left to right. So we have x plus another x plus x plus x. So we have 4 groups of x. Okay, we're going to group this together. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our perimeter, in this case here, our perimeter is equal to 4x plus 6. We group together all the x values and all the unit values. We grouped them all together. Next, B, what does it say? Okay, good, right? We need to find the area, the inside. Okay, let's go ahead and start. So what do we have? We have an x squared. Write it. Remember, we have 1x. There's one of them that I see. We do not need to put the 1 in front. It's implied. Plus x. Plus 1. Yes. Add that x. Plus 1. Now we can combine the like terms. We have x squared. There's one of them. Let's write it. X squared. X and another x plus 2x. 1 plus 1. So there we have our area. Finally, C. What do we need to do on C? Now on C, if the algebra tiles were rearranged, how would the area change? Well, notice here the area is the inside. If we were to move these tiles around, say if I took this part here and put it over here, this one unit and put it up here, moved it up, or rotated or moved the tiles in any order, the area would stay the same. So this area is going to stay the same. If we rearrange them, the area would stay the same. Okay, write it out. The area would stay the same. All right, excellent. Keep on working.